our brothers in Benue State. Our brothers in Benue State is an issue that has to do with light. Never did that. I want to hear my video, you will see. I don't regret or anything, but I will not. Just like I had it to be king of boys. First of all, Pelem Nagari and the entire members and staff of Pine Roof for the opportunity to be part of the company. And as an ambassador, my responsibility to wear the clothes of the company. My young name, I try to make sure that the interest of the company is protected and also advanced. Nkwadum from the company is quite enormous, but we handle over this brochure, which you supported the kingdom with a live cow. How many answers? As a Chukwemeke, you would have had an audience with you honoring him today. So, but I'm after today, from my right here, I'm a chief of Chikolibon. Oh, yeah, the Anyama State Creation, which I'm part also of the movement the National Social Cultural Group. The National Social Cultural Group, Kaiwish, as I mean, the 5 Igbo now movements. The Social Cultural Group, they registered in Homaka, all these people who go family in Asubia. So, Nigeria will never Anasubia. The Kappa Ga, those states, Ebonias. Anasubia, I'm going to indicate she didn't, but because of distance, they couldn't come. Monday cross river, Habitat, but when they say, as Kadu, so now I will know my kind of chief. Chicolibon, ebe imogas property mo gwa shire ni ayi wano bana gwande obodo no yobo na nnetukwa aka na property finance the plan aka we ya go part of you but I go part of it somehow as ka ga ka na sense man na mu ke bia wora aro mege ka okwu niile imechisi wutanu mini ni na mo ofu ya nwa na mekwa ofu ma se ka ke mekwa thanks when I found the Jesus, I was why I will Chupa Metaco. Oh, when you're on Chupu, what's the one about image identity crisis? Upon case of the Professor Black and White, now the conversation. As a council among the who's that? I'm not. And I'm what kinds of and I often did on social media. But I'm not going to be on the way and I'm going one day full of the June. I am one of that day to us. So, I never can and give you. I won't do data. I'm from right from history, engaged in a carry. I won't give you. But I never go to home. I see okay, we're going to he have one now going to start today. I am a question for and I am to come test for another. Thank you. Almighty, Osai, yes, our fighter, soldier. Because in America, 5 years now, reach geopolitical a lot of injury to the thought to the injury. Now in America, 5 years now. So, yeah, a very fierce fighter. My outlaw from Indo Kwine. And that's no moon near. So, you are not even a court, mining in the wood.
Yopa, I was I'm outside. My name is so I'm about Igbo unification. I invite the gang. Because be my side and don't want to get time as an apple on the one only main affection. I'm with resources even German. I had benefit even with the denial set and I had that benefit to anything. So this is an assembly can ban this influence car. Not check out one so on a year the flood has a baby so that was all the party successful.
Onye akwano wo ezumezu ikoro ndị Igbo ọ na-ahụ onye IGBO ga ọ na-agakwa ka ọ dị concentrated na ihe gbasara culture ndị culture ọbụla na channel ya enweghị mmemme Igbo ọbụla ị kpọrọ aha ị chọrọ ịmara maka mmemme ha ọ na channel ezumezu ikoro ndị Igbo
Bishop China Canada is okay. What does listen at you? Okay, better tell me that okay, that's the and then you see the
was young when
so I can and give us a go here as with the one now I remember one night we came to Jamaica after the beach and up to the film. And almost as everyone can in back water. Near not the other near. Of which when the money go up and and then as now you ain't make a good job here. So I can make enough for you to make a supporting and I have good shit. See keen and make it. I can agree.
Onye wo Mazi Azoka Itumudu. I will name bank. Nke nọ n'Edo steeti. Nọ n'Edo steeti. Enwere ndị ebe ọzọ. Eti ya ọrụ ịgba.
onye Igbo nke from Orion local government area of Edo State.
Bishop onye akwụkwọ my cameraman mụ na eso bido from first day m bidoro ịgagharị bidoro na main TV ọ mụ na ya bidoro ya nwa so no problem at all. Onye nke akwụkwọ nwanne m nwoke onye mụ na ya so wuru ndị bi so ọ batara o so ebe mmiri sọgbọ ebe niile Bishop anyị kelee m ọ nwere ihe ọ na-abịa okay mgbe m bịaburu because ahụ ebutechala ya ịma asị ihe abụ ihe onye na-eme ka family is more than a family to me. It's more than a family. Ebe a ka m bịara ebe that is the way things have been done here. Having peace, you are more than the king of boys. Because when I see the young people like me who are around you, I see the love, I see the happiness. And came to the same love and the same happiness is what I was greeted with and made here. I said, I do my work because a lot of things are coming out here. Because I remember the first thing, the first word, they said that my life will change. The first time we have a communication with me, we were telling me about deal. This was the word, and within some few months into that partnership, it became one of the partnership with the family, and my life is already changed. And as an ambassador, just like I'm wearing this robe as a prince of a kingdom, I'm also wearing the common pine leaf as my cloak. And make sense. Masina Ngeji, ihe ndị ọcha ihe na-akpọ gakwa kelee gị na nke ime ọlụta akwa ha ekwesịrị m ihe m kwesịrị ịkpụ with the kind of blessing they receive from ever m kwesịrị ịkpọwa efi but by the grace of God enwere ndị like today mụ na ndị Benue ha bịara na Ido I gave them an invite ha na-akpa efi and I pass it. So I say, I do some people, and they accepted, and I believe in I never feel bad. I found actually really.
I appreciate this so much. All the public carry if you my name because no the heart. Yes. Yeah, what matters. Yes. I think they show all the spotless. So no white. I'm not putting on to do white. More blessings in Jesus' name. It's just the starting point. You can't more blessings, more favor. Yeah, that will carry on as an answer. So I appreciate that. Thank you. And from the time I'm up, you are also more than a friend to us, and you are doing so well. In your lucky push, finally, I will be a union. Okay, for kids will be in when I'm again. Push. So for you and a puni one ambassador. I have to take it part of us. When you are in the mind is already so. Yes. It's working that you are one other ambassadors. Amara is your family. Thank you. Thank you.
There is a resource. Every great person there is a resource. Yeah, this is the resource. Thank you. But they don't you,
you are not greedy. I'm not able to give the greedy. You won't bring us. No. Because you are not greedy. I join children many. Everybody is in children. Now you go with you. I won't be careful. I won't go answer. All right now, no. Wall will be. You keep us up on 901. I put us on for that. I want to know why I'm beating
IGBO AID through IGBO Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation. Again, Chineke na ya bago ọkọchị dry season. The borehole will commence immediately. Paid them in the money. Paid them the drilling company, and it is solely donated by Pioneer Estate, which will have the signboard pasted there in remembrance of your benevolence, company, and also the entire staff. So that will be settled at least this November. I got to tell you what is courtesy of you. So another one who our brothers in Benue State, our brothers in Benue State issue that has to do with light. About the dark. I want to name my video you see. I don't regret or him but I will not. For the good. So we went there with some few solar lights. So some person under how the environment was. I was there till night. When they back that there's no light. Anywhere electricity, there's nothing like pole. There's nothing like pole or transformer. So we were able to donate about 4 solar lights to them. Then right after somebody called me that's not like Rihani that he wants to put extra 20 there. So but by the grace of God, yes, it is good number. I still want to bring to your notice about this one. Here our target now is to build a solar house, small mini solar house. I got not charge for because is that honestly, the far. So I worry that in all governments. I mean, like distance. Okay, the distance. Okay. Yes.
That means you need to go back
and proper life. Wow.
You know what we're doing, so?
when I go to these places, I say things. I don't know what I say. To base video. Man say, who told me to say? How will I tell these people that light will come when I don't know, when I don't have that wine in my pocket? You understand? The foundation which is running the IGBO AID is trying, yes, but we don't have any funds through community response. But now I told Benue that light that I came back and Benue say by the grace of God that yes, I have people backing me, which is number one, pine leaf. I said that light will come, and today we are having a glimpse of light. I don't want to go to the news right now, but then I'm going to show it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You know, Anioma boys, Anioma, and the boys are strong. And the spirit of their ancestors are back. They are also now back to correct what their own ancestors, what their own brothers have. Because here I suffer today, I see Igbo Q. Check that Igbo Q. Anioma boys. That is why I want to need Igbo Ageba. I know this identity crisis. I know this identity issue. Only why we are approaching it with destination that you caused this thing to us. You caused it. You struck. You were. Am I right? That's why we want to. Imagine. When you find out, they are the normal boys are strong. But by the grace of God today, we have come back for them to correct. They are helping. They are the agent of change. What they are doing. A lot of Onagafa, and I thank you guys. I thank you. Thank you. Yeah. What you going to do? I have a job. No matter our differences, your brother's keeper. That we must always protect each other because we are on the battle. We are on the front line of the battle. A lot of people are threatened, but they can't get us because we are covered by supernatural power. And like I said, this is my source because I didn't say very giver. I was not an baby. He just that is why you understand, this company is the only company that showed me the way to. They did not hide anything. At least some few weeks ago now, I did in the front line. Have you? When you move, nobody I can handle the shit. Pine leaf is genuine. Pine leaf is genuine. Sure. Because when my clients call, I said, no, relax. Now what my God, I stake my integrity. That integrity, that name that I've built by the grace of God, is the most valuable thing in Njaga. And for me, silver and gold, I don't want. Give me this. But for that, when na Pine Leaf Estate, the very 100% genuine, I say no, I am taking it because I can't rally because everything is on point. Well, I give a good video show.
Yeah, watch it.
I'm not coming to me. I will never do it. I'm poor. On our full year to put the guy that I go over. Who know me? Come a mistake.
Where what pool?
Where's your
It's not a mistake. It's not a mistake.
I live very close to them. What she will say to them, who is sure the channel, go ahead with some river.
And I really have tata. So you have tata. So you have tata. So me alone, I cannot finish the. So why would I open door? Yes.
No, you didn't be so. The truth is, there is one thing I'm just taking from our gathering. Above Makananya, Obi Ajinyego and the accepted spirit, Ajibateba. Immediately Ajibateba, Umukicho will be another conducive. Ilaya, then they Bondia. Every I take classic kind or somewhere. I was able to, yes, of course. I told her I did conducive. Yeah, first mark in your Golomoke. Give what the Takwa. In more January, I'll buy you an Ioga on each of your quarter. Kaina again and me, I'm saying, don't allow. Gossip would you be wearing? But I'm my working down at the moon and days. Was in your bed, I'm more of that place. I'm not saying wrong. Come here, no come more. Oh, yes, of course. Any be Jeffrey or doctor, or not at the right frame of mind. Come on, you make mistake. That appointment they have made. You know, the way that was now, even though a lot of family here, only here, these were there, and he had a when you look at the way city estate, is alright. The young guy is excelling because of the source. And even when Jesus told me the source, for the fact that only a Tinaka gave within some months, the boy you will go from Makaki. Name me call kiss a more simply mean that would you have about a million? I don't know that on the altar because I'm a good you don't know, you can't stop it. Thank you so much. Thank you. And another, let me say Bishop Okemo Metomakana.
SS power.
Yeah,
SS power.
Say Nama, I can't to go
We'll tap the grace.